Hello, everybody. I am your hostess, Sean Wright Neely, with I Said That in a Unique Hat, everything you wanted to know about semi precious minerals, rocks, gems. Today, boys and girls, we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to talk about a precious metal. Um, you guessed it, there's gold in them there hills. Hmm, hmm, yeah. So, anyway, so let's get into the meat and potatoes. So, gold is AU on the periodic table. It's number 79, and it's electronic makeup or electron makeup is a mouthful. 4F, 14, 5D, 10, 6S, 1. Okay, I would never remember that, so I'd always have to look it up. And it comes in different colors. Gold comes in, I'm sure you've seen yellow, which is the most common, and some people have seen white gold. It also comes in pink, red, green, and green is called electrum, and it comes in black, blue, and purple. Um, I've only seen white, of course, yellow, white, and I've seen pink, which is rose gold, but I've never laid eyes on or worked with the other colors of the rainbow of that gold has. So that's on my bucket list to at least see um, those beautiful colors. But anyhow, gold. The reason it got the name AU on the periodic table is because it's Latin for aurum, AURUM, and that's what the Romans called it, and that means shining dawn. You know, because it's most of the time it's yellow and it looks like sunshine. So I thought that was a pretty interesting little tidbit because I never knew why gold had the periodic table name AU until a few weeks ago. So anyway, other interesting facts about gold. It conducts electricity just like copper does. It won't tarnish. So, it catches dust, of course, if you don't, but it won't get rust and all that any dull patina on it. And it has a very high boiling point to almost 5,000 degrees. So that's the little mechanics of gold, which I'm sure you were dying to know. So, other interesting facts about gold. Um, our bodies, okay, you and me, are made up of about zero point 0.2 tenths milligrams of gold because we're all made of stardust and all kind of stuff from outer space. So we all have a little bit of gold within us. So that brings a new meaning to the term heart of gold. Ha. And something else interesting about gold is that it's non toxic, meaning that you can consume it. I'm sure you've heard of the liquor with the gold flakes in it. You knock it back and yeah, it's consumable. It's fine. I'm not going to say the name of it because this is not a commercial. But yeah, so I think that's interesting that we can, drink flakes of a precious metal and it does no harm. So let's see, anything else really interesting about gold? Yes, it was discovered around 700 BC, and King Tut's tomb had 1.5 tons of gold in it. I mean, that is a lot of gold. So yeah, I mean, we've been worshiping it or been fascinated by it for a really long time, and as I said, we're made up of it just a little bit. Gold is not native to the earth. It came here from meteorites. So some rocks from outer space hit the earth and had gold in them. And so that's why it's a little bit hard to find and very precious because it's not something that the earth produces. It's something that, you just have to see where some meteorites, landed and brought gold here. However, every river in the world contains gold. You just have to, go paying for it. So let's see what else. I'm sure this question is something that many people have wondered about, and I'm sure you have too, because before I got into rock hounding, I didn't know the difference between how to really tell the difference between gold and fool's gold, aka iron pyrite. So this is iron pyrite, okay? And my bracelet here is real gold. Okay, the lighting in here is not the best. I apologize, but um, you can kind of tell that my bracelet is kind of a softer metal. You see how hard and compact this is. Pyrite is very hard. Gold is extremely soft and malleable. Also, when gold is heated, it has absolutely no odor. Okay, pyrite, on the other hand, it smells bad. I mean, so if you find something that you think is gold and you're not sure, um, see if you can kind of bend it, and or scratch it on something, and if it scratches, it's hard, and if you're still not sure, have it heated up, and if it has a strong odor, then unfortunately you don't have gold. You have iron pyrite, aka fool's gold. So better luck next time. But anyhow, so gold also can play with others sometimes, or get married with others. Quartz. Sometimes there will be gold flakes in quartz. This doesn't have any, but I'm just showing you a piece of clear quartz, and sometimes it has gold inclusions. It has little flakes of gold in it. So it's very rare and very beautiful. I've never laid eyes on it in real life. I've only seen Google images of it, but I still think that's pretty awesome. So because as quartz is extremely common, and gold is not that common, or it's precious. So yeah, it kind of it's gold is dating down, shall I say, when it becomes an inclusion in another mineral, or in a mineral. Gold is a metal. So let's see, anything else really interesting about gold? I think that's really about it. It's very beautiful and very rare and not of this earth, and we all have it within us. And so I find that very fascinating, besides the fact that it's just very beautiful. It has a lot of fascinating facts. So let's move on to the drawing that I do with every filming. So as you know, I do a drawing, and if I draw your name, then you win a beautiful piece of amethyst quartz. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. Maud H. Congratulations to Maud H. And one more. Timothy T. Congratulations to Timothy T. So everybody, thanks for watching. I hope that this was educational. I love sharing my passion with other people. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is Shawn Wright Neely, and I am a rock hound who is posting this YouTube video called I Said That in a Unique Hat. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time, okay?